think I killed your
Why is
lighter.
he holding it in his hand, honey?
He can hold it in his hand. It won't hurt him.
Bella, back up. Honey, why don't you
Would
put it on
somebody
your truck?
please light that for him?
He'll like that.
Do you want it in the truck? On the truck?
You can't get the dumb lighter to start.
Your head's in the way.
You almost had it.
It's cool.
I got cake on your lighter. Come on.
You're just scared.
I'm trying. I can't push.
Don't
the
put your
button.
face down over it.
I'll tell you what.
Light it first.
There you go.
Bella, back up.
Whoa.
Do your cake on me. You got cake on everything else.
Let's go in the house.